The error message "Unhandled exception has occurred in your application in Windows" usually pops up when an application encounters a problem that it cannot handle without crashing. This error typically stems from corrupted application files. If the application's files have been corrupted due to disk errors, incomplete installations, etc., it might not function as expected, leading to unhandled exceptions. Here are some solutions for this error. First, open your Start menu and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Click on Programs. Click on Programs and Features. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Check Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8. Press OK. Wait for the Windows features to be downloaded. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Restart your PC after it's done.